Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to force restart your iPhone 17 Pro. Alright, let's begin. If your iPhone 17 Pro is frozen, unresponsive, or experiencing software issues, a forced restart is one of the best troubleshooting steps. This process does not erase your photos, apps, messages, or any other personal data. To force restart your iPhone, first locate the volume up, volume down, and side buttons. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even when the slide to power off screen appears. Do not touch the screen or swipe to turn off the phone. Continue holding the side button until the display turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your iPhone to restart. If the forced restart doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Repeat the button sequence. Timing is important, so it may take a couple of attempts to perform it correctly. So that's basically how you can force restart your iPhone 17 Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks!